ya u virus ru tieng ya ketika ru tieng sakat nuken ni empungnya ai ketika covid khat khandai kanoy kun persya ya kini ka khlam
Haka jingye khun ban yo ya kahok kaba ka sorkar kala kular ban aisha ki nong bela kaba hakador kaba 8,000 shispa bat san 1,000 tengka nadu usnam 8,000 arpau kaba hadu menta ka sorkar kamsyam pat lala ban pendep ya kene ka jingkular kawai ka longkemi ka badai ka presiden jong ka seng ka thma urangli ka kong Angela Rangat kala pen i ya ka jing persya halor kene ka jingle jong ki bor sorkar da ka bale jong kelany mongor hakmat ka main secretariat jong ka jela kaba kene ka nongyalam jong ka te ka seng kala sedang ya kene ka jingya khi nadu ka khat khandai tarik upanai Julai 8,000 arpuwei bat kumbala ong da kene ka nongyalam bakan beteng ya kene ka jingshong kelany mongor tat hadu bak sorkar kan penbena bakan siulut syabaro ki nong bela ki bala dep ban apply bat ban yo ya kene ka jingyarap na ki bor sorkar Hadin Henrius ngi jong kate ka jingshong kelany mongor kata henin kasngi ki bor district kilapha da ka jingtho ba ka kong Angela Rangat ba ka dei ban penken ria no ya ka jaka ban penlong ya kene ka jingikhi syakwe pat ki jaka namar kamdon hok ban penlong jingikhi hakmat ka sekretariat Menta kasngi pat na kalyang ki bor sorkar kilawan ban kerpat biang ya ka ba ka dei ban ken ria no na kene jaka da ka bala sertap ru da ki bor pulit bat ki magistrate
I can even call it off. And on that day, I will check with all the beneficiaries. If they haven't got, I will come back. But they are not able to do that. People are hungry. They need to get their money. And if everything is automated, you have to transfer the money. I don't know that. Keep pushing us, pushing the citizens against the wall and pushing us into kind of yeah. So I just think that all this now it's the 5 days, I don't think that I have taken any disrupted their entry and exit. I have not broken COVID protocol. No, we have to respect our democratic rights to them. Whatever is effective for the public then. I appreciate the DC's attempt. It's her responsibility to ensure that there's no breach of law and order. It's something that cannot be solved at the DC level or the ministerial level. It is something that the Labour Department, the Principal Secretary of Labour, has to give an assurance. We have to ensure that all the district labour offices work and ensure that this is cycling reach. It's that simple. And the Labour Minister has to ensure that his Principal Secretary of Labour works. So it's a chain of, responsibilities that need to be fulfilled. So that's what. And if the Labour Minister is now hiding because he has nothing to say, then the Chief Minister has to be able to give an assurance to the public. Against whose money has been shown to have been transferred. It's solved at the DC level, I'm sure we can solve. But it's not possible. I thought that was referring to the Labour Department, but the Labour Department has not opened their mouth. They have not given us anything in writing. They have not given us what are they going to do. I do have follow up. Last year, showing that there are
send him to court?
that there's something to
Saudi
sort out.
media.
The government taking corrective measures. Since the first complaint was June last year, imagine. Then after that, we found out more in October from our WhatsApp friends that we have not got. Then by November, we filed the RTI. Then also we written like really long complaints, very detailed complaints. We have given the names of people, the phone numbers, made it so easy for them to rectify. But it's like as if we don't want to do that, and that is not acceptable. It's not acceptable. Please convey my regards to DC, and I really appreciate that she tried. But then I need an explanation. She's looking after me. And she's just written to them. We also have written. She signed, and with concrete evidence, the RTI those complaints, and yet they ignored these wrong but not anyway. And in fact, there's so many people who want to be here. But every time they SMS, I say it's okay because we cannot be gathering. So I am cooperating with the district administration. I don't want that there will be a breakdown in law and order and a breach, especially in COVID protocols, because we cannot risk that kind of